If you're looking for one of the best 4K dual dash cams you can buy right now, this video is for you. Today we're doing an honest, hands-on review of the ROVE R2-4K Dual dash cam. The ROVE R2-4K Dual is currently a #1 bestseller in car on-dash mounted cameras, with over 8,800 reviews and a 4.5-star rating on Amazon, so expectations are definitely high. This dash cam records true 4K at 2160p on the front camera and full HD 1080p on the rear camera, giving you clear coverage both in front of and behind your car. One of the biggest highlights is the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, which significantly improves night vision and low light performance, making license plates and road details much easier to see after dark. Several users mentioned how impressive the night footage is. One verified buyer said the brightness is well adjusted, and the video quality stays sharp even at night, calling it the best value for the budget. Installation is another strong point. Many reviewers said setup was easy, even for people who aren't tech savvy. Everything you need is included in the box, including mounts, cables, tools, and a detailed instruction guide. In fact, one customer described the setup guide as extremely clear and well written, with step-by-step instructions that make installation fast and stress-free. The ROVE R2-4K Dual also includes a free 128GB micro SD card, which is a huge bonus since many dashcams don't include a memory card at all. You also get ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, allowing download speeds of up to 20 Mbps through the ROVE app on iOS and Android, making it easy to view, download, and share footage right from your phone. Multiple users praise the app experience, saying it connects quickly, is easy to navigate, and allows fast video transfers without subscriptions. Built-in GPS is another standout feature. It records your speed, location, and driving route directly onto the video, which can be extremely helpful if you ever need video evidence. One reviewer shared a real-life example where the dashcam footage paid for itself within a month by proving fault in a parking lot accident and preventing costly repair bills. The camera also supports 24-hour parking mode with motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse recording, giving you peace of mind even when your car is parked. Reliability matters, and users consistently report strong suction mounts, stable recordings on long trips, and no overheating issues thanks to the built-in supercapacitor. There are minor downsides mentioned in reviews, such as the included power cable being slightly short for certain vehicle setups, but users easily solve this by using a USB-C to USB-C cable. Overall, reviewers frequently describe the ROVE R2-4K Dual as premium quality at a very reasonable price, especially considering the dual cameras, night vision, GPS, Wi-Fi, and included memory card. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use front and rear 4K dashcam that delivers excellent video quality day and night, the ROVE R2-4K Dual is absolutely worth considering.